Yo, what's going on, everyone? Mike here, and we're going to open up a hobby box of the new Topps 2017 Allen and Ginter, which will include 3 of these cards in every box. So that includes the autograph cards, relic cards, printing plates, rip cards, which are really cool, and book cards. So some of you asking what a rip card is. It's like a card within a card. You'll get a mini card like this within one of these cards. They're a little bit thicker, obviously, and it's pretty crazy. So I'll show you what I got so far. Not in this box, obviously. This is sealed still. I happened to get some packs at a store that's local here in Clearwater, and we're in Tampa Bay, Florida, by the way. And also, I got the packs, and it just so happens that they are out of a hot box. So they have a foil parallel, as you can see, Zimmerman, Carew, Price, Alfaro. I got a couple rookies here. You know, you get the random people with Ginter, Steele, I don't even know, Sage, Steele, What a Day, Carlos Correa, Ramirez, Panic, Arenado, that's a good one. Victor Martinez, David Ortiz, Grichuk, Wieters, some weird Battle of the Chesapeake, Mike Trout, Adam Jones, McGuire, Baez, Upton, Travis. So, you know, you get the idea here. Nothing special here, obviously, but it's cool that I got packs out of a hot box. I should have bought all the packs there, but, you know, it happens. So, let's do it. The box topper, one oversized box loader card inside. Is it going to be an auto one? Let's find out. We'll start with the box topper, and then we'll get into the packs. 24 packs in this one. This is like at the store, how you'd buy them. $5 a pack at the store. So let's see what we get here. Bryce Harper. Is it an auto? No. Not an auto, but that is cool. That is pretty awesome. Bryce Harper. No special anything here, but it is cool that we got Bryce Harper. Maybe that is good luck here. We'll open up the first pack here. Let's check it out. Hopefully we got a hot box and we'll have those foil parallels right off the bat. Ooh, right off the bat, a buyback. Damaso Garcia, who's that? Okay. No, we do not have a hot box. Fulmer, Cicchini, Kimbrel, What a Day Betts. Our mini is these things, I've seen them. Mark Twain, McCovey, Glasnow, rookie, Cespedes, and the Blue Jays, Damaso Garcia. Buyback. I'll put the rookies here in the minis in a pile. Pack number 2. Let's see what we get. We get an Aaron Judge rookie here, Alfaro rookie, Reyes, Sale, Kluber, David Wright, What a Day, Manny Machado mini. Let's check the back. Nothing special in the back there. Ford and Winker. Nothing good so far. Nothing good. Other than that, Bryce Harper, I guess. Pack number 3 here. Marcus Seaman. Jackson. Aaron Judge rookie. Aaron Judge rookie. We will put him in a sleeve. That, my friends, is one of the things we were looking for. This will be worth a little bit. Nothing special about him, but it's the rookie card. Hayward, we've got the Fish. Marquez rookie card, mini. No special back. Put the rookie minis in their own little pile here. JD Martinez and Finnegan. So awesome. We pulled a Aaron Judge rookie. Nice. What about that Aaron Judge auto rookie? That's what we want. Peraza, Harriet Tubman, Kyle Hendricks, Bryce Harper, nice. Ginter, Battle of Quebec, Urias mini, no special back. LaForge and William Shatner. You gotta have William Shatner right there on the top. You know what I mean? How can you not have a William Shatner in the Allen and Ginter? Oh, Ken Griffey Jr. here. Uh-oh. We got a special card here, I feel like. This is a hit. Okay. Conforto. Polanco. Snell. Battle of Calpins. Ooh, auto framed. Let's see who it is. Frazier. Ooh. Austin. Tyler Austin. Auto framed. Who's Tyler Austin? Star first baseman of the New York Yankees. Is he a prospect or a rookie? No? I don't know. I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay. It's awesome though. We got a framed auto. That looks really cool. Doesn't that look awesome? Nice. So that's one of our hits. Our first really good hits there, other than that Judge rookie. We'll have to look into this Tyler Austin character, see what he's all about. I don't know, if you know who he is, if you're a big Yankees fan, I'm sure there's a lot of Yankees fans out there that are going to know who he is instantly and be like, Mike, you're an idiot. And just put it on the comments, and you can still call me an idiot, you know, for not knowing. Ooh, or old Rays player. That's pretty cool. Josh Paul. I don't even remember him. Okay, Will Myers. Austin. Okay, there's his rookie card, Tyler Austin. Okay. That's cool. Alright, got his rookie. I'll throw that over there. Now I got his auto, too. Gordon. Buxton. Ooh, okay, a red Polish Prince dude. Polish Prince dude. The world's dudes. That's pretty cool. Put him in the pile. Got the Mauer, Cal Ripken Jr., Willie Banks, and the Devil Rays Josh Paul buyback. This is from what year? 2006. Josh Paul rediscovered Topps. Yeah. Nothing special, that's for sure. But that's cool.
So that's a rookie.
Yeah, it is a rookie. I just pulled his rookie card. So hopefully he blows up sometime. Well, he's on the Yankees, so hopefully he gets traded and blows up. McGuire, Carpenter, World's Fair. Ooh, Freddie Freeman Relic. Nice. I like that one. That is very nice. Very good. Very good. He's back. Freddie Freeman is back. And you know, he's gonna be back to himself, tearing it up. It's nothing special here, just white, but that is pretty damn cool. I don't know if that's a little dirt in there. I think it is right there. So that's cool. Not numbered or anything, but I will take that. Nice hit. So that's hit number 2. We're guaranteed one more hit out of here. So David Wright. Oh, that's got the special back, the Ginter back. That's the first one we got of that. David Wright. That's cool. And Donaldson. Okay. Nothing special there. Other than Freeman. I mean, that's pretty cool. So, let's open this pack here. I've lost count of how many packs we have here. So, Dexter Fowler, Kemp, Daniel LeMahieu, What a Day Syndergaard, Yu Darvish, regular back, Marquez rookie, Cano, and Bobby Abreu. Oh, that was terrible. Yeah, so I don't know about a hot box here. I don't think so, but let's see what we got here. Kyle Seager. I don't know how to say his name. Sanchez, Schimpf, What a Day Sanchez, Tapia rookie mini, Tapia rookie. That's cool. I pulled both right next to each other. That's like a Topps troll right there. They're known for doing that type of shit. Definitely. They're up to it. Topps, we know what you're up to. We see you, Topps. Anderson. Tom Anderson. Is that the Tom from Facebook or whatever? Or, I don't know. MySpace? I don't know. Whatever. Nola, Chris Bryant, Kinsler, World's Fair, Naquin with the Ginter back. Nice, nice. Naquin. Rosenberg and Matz. Nothing special there. Alright. Where's that Aaron Judge rookie auto? Granderson, Jenkins, Sonny Gray, Gonzalez, Fish, Paris, Locks, Glazer, and Nolan Ryan. Abreu, Jose Abreu, Gosman, Gardner, Kershaw, World's Fair, Hank Aaron, Yelich, Manea. Okay. It's getting a little too high there. Alright, we have one more relic, I believe, or something else, a rip card, who knows. Arrieta, Stanton. That's going to be worth something someday. Cueto, Ellsbury, Jones. Ooh, okay. McNamara with the black parallel. Not a special back, but that's pretty cool. Hoffman rookie. And then we got Rizzo. So, there we go. Getting low on packs here. Alright, Goldschmidt, Ian Desmond, Sandberg, Upton, What a Day, Correa, Hosmer, Black, rookie, David Wright. Alright. A little buyback, okay. Todd Bezinger, George Brett, Cotto, Kepler, DeGrom, What a Day. Ooh, green Scholar Dude. McCullers, Franco, Hogan. Ooh, hello. And Todd Bezinger for the Reds. Buyback. That's pretty cool. Another buyback here. Freeman, rookie. Dogmatics. Bradley, What a Day, Ortiz. Nick Jonas. Oh my god. Eaton, Babe Ruth. Hernandez, whoever that is. Phillies leaders. Buyback. That's some old school stuff right there. From 1987. Right there. Yeah. Good stuff. Tim Anderson. Jackson, Swanson, rookie. Dansby Swanson, rookie. Okay, cool. Dawson, Andre Dawson. Fish. Ooh. John Lester. Relic. This is our third hit. John Lester. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take it. Hopefully we get some more hits here. You know? That would be nice. Got a little black parallel Jake Lamb. That's cool. Tim Anderson. Trash. Alright, so we might not get a hit in any of these last packs, but let's see what we got. Ichiro, Odor, Travis, Jones, Telephone, Kato, Ginter back, Scherzer, and Naquin. I'm going to take all the packs out here. That's it. That's all we got left. Victor Martinez, Dozier, rookie, Davis, Brandon Belt, Lifesavers parachute jump, McNamara with the Ginter back, Stroman, and Olsen, rookie. I don't know who he is, but cool. It's a rookie card. Alright, here we go. Hernandez, rookie. Posey, Duffy, Santana, Fish, Perez, no special back, Teran, and Kelly. So we have 4 packs left. Hoping we get a good hit here, if we get one at all. Williams, Ray, Russell, Posey, What a Day, Hendricks, Black Parallel, Hugo Smith, Trey Turner. All right. 3 more packs here. We get something beast here. If not, you know, it's not a huge disappointment, but a little bit. Robinson, Brooks Robinson, Nunez, rookie. Bregman, rookie. That's cool. Price, what a day. The hell is this? Bust a move. Ballet dance. Yeah. What the hell? Lester, Duval, and trees in India. Yes. Trees in India. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this set's crazy. It's got a lot of weird cards. I don't understand some of them. Like that. Trees in India. Roger Clemens, Quinn, rookie. Verlander, Diaz, the fish, different fish there. Garrett, rookie, nice, with the Ginter back, nice. Altuve and Roger Maris. So we're on our last pack here. It's looking grim as far as we're going here with any more hits. But hey, maybe we'll get lucky. David Ortiz off the top. Galarraga. Tanaka. What a day, Mattingly. Reyes, Ginter back. Stram, rookie. Doolittle and Frank Thomas. So that will do it for the 2017 Allen and Ginter. What we got here, folks, review. I'd really say about 4 hits. We got the Aaron Judge rookie. That's always nice. Aaron Judge rookie. Tyler Austin rookie auto framed. Freddie Freeman with the Relic, and John Lester with the Relic. Not bad, not bad. Will I get another Allen Ginter? Probably. Not a bad haul here. I want everyone to always remember to stay trippy.